how to add parallax scrolling to Wix. So what I've done here is I've clicked on Edit Site, which has loaded up the Wix website editor. Now from the left hand section, we want to click on Add Elements, then go to Strip, click on it and choose the type of strip that you want to add. We can either add blank ones and insert our images into them directly, or add one with a preset image and change it 2 hours later. So I'm just going to choose this one as an example here, and I will attach it to this section. Now, like I said, if we want to change the background, we'll click on here and change the image. But if we want to add parallax scrolling effect, we will just select background scroll effects. And the first option right here is parallax. Once selected, we will just view or preview it right here to show you that it works. This will load up a preview of our website. And as you can see now, this is the scroll effect that we have added. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.